Hi guys, so this week we're gonna just keep simplifying radicals, but I'm gonna add some stuff. So for example, here we have a radical that also has variables. So it's still the same thing that we did when we're breaking them down. We're still breaking them down into 2, 3, 5, and 7, basically prime numbers. So I always start with the 2's and divide out as many as I can. It just helps keep things organized and everything. So I'm going to divide by 2, and I get 160, and then 2 again, and I get 80, 2 and 40, 2 and 20, 2, 10, and 2 and 5. So I've broken down the 320 all the way, but then I'm also going to break down this n cubed just by writing out that there are 3 n's. So once I've broken everything down, remember that if you divide it by a number, these numbers are just gone. So now I'm looking for pairs of the same thing. So every time that I have 2 of the same thing, I'm going to circle it. So even though I have 3 pairs of 2's, they're all individual pairs. So keep that in mind. And then I have a pair of n's. So everything I circled moves to the outside of the radical. So one for each group. So I've got a group of 2's, another group of 2's, another group of 2's, a group of n's, and then my leftovers are a 5 and an n. So now I just got to put these together, and I get 8n, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and then 5n on the inside. And then that's your answer. So with this one over here, it's the same thing. I'm going to break it down. Dividing by 2 as many times as I can. Just remember that if you can't divide by 2, you move on to 3, then 5, then 7. I'm going to do my variables. I have 2 A's and 3 B's. So these numbers are gone. And I'm looking for pairs. So I have two 2's, 2 more 2's, 2 A's, and 2 B's. So on the outside, I've got a group of 2's, another group of 2's, a group of A's, and a group of B's. And on the inside, my leftovers are a 5 and a B. So I put these together. 4AB. Oops, why did I put equals? And then inside is 5B. Ta-da!